This aerosurf Boeing 727 is lifting too late and almost take down the airport fence. Please enjoy this view of Boeing 777-9X performing a near vertical takeoff at Farnborough Airshow. This Boeing 777X is powered by world's largest engines, the General Electric GE9X. This aerolinear's Argentina's Boeing 737 flying through severe turbulence during approach. This Royal Air Force C-17 Globemaster performs a stunningly steep descent using reverse thrust. On passenger planes, reverse thrust deployment in flight would never be technically possible. This Ozullinha's ATR 72-600 is almost being blown over in violent sandstorm. If you want more, subscribe to our channel.